Maintaining your bike in a home workshop can add to the enjoyment of owning it. It can also save you money, but the main benefit of having a home workshop is to keep your bike running smoothly. You can maintain your bike by leaning it against a wall, but you'll find it a lot easier to use a bike stand. A good stand lifts the bike up to a comfortable working level and allows you to turn the pedals and shift gears at the same time. In another quick release TV video, you'll see the trail tools you need for each and every ride. Not all of these tools will have a place in the home workshop. Workshop tools need to be robust, not handy to carry on a bike. Instead, you need a decent set of Allen keys. This set has a T-bar option for better leverage. You'll also need a selection of screwdrivers, Phillips and flat blade. A torque wrench so you don't over-tighten bolts. Needle nose pliers for getting into gaps. Cone spanners, here are the 4 most common sizes. A pedal spanner, this one has an anti-scrub pad so it won't scratch cranks. A crank extractor, appropriate extractors for the bottom bracket, freewheel or cassette, a chain splitter. The lower dogs are used for splitting, the upper ones are there to free a stiff link. A chain wear indicator. This slim tool can stop you buying a new cassette before you need to. Spoke keys in a variety of spoke sizes. Wire cutters. This set has a debarrer for cleaning cable inners. Inner wire cable plier for pulling cables taut. A full set of torque wrench Allen key heads and standard socket heads. A tub of anti-fray ends are handy, they keep cables tidy. Selection of spare, gear and brake wires. If you don't have a vise, use this tool with the extractors. And last but not least, you'll need a chain whip to disassemble freewheels and, of course, a track pump for inflation.
coming through the window.